So, the product owner, what does he do? He owns the damn product, you schmuck. The Scrum Master is the guy who facilitates the team, right? Helps the team do a good job. Helps the team get to the end of the sprint. It's facilitation, it's coaching, it's observing, it's whole host of stuff. Tough job. A team member is anyone else on the team who builds the product. They work from the sprint backlog, they test, they develop, they do just about everything, right? So the product owner needs to be able to communicate to the team about the product itself. And he can do that through something called the product vision. Although Scrum doesn't dictate how you form a product vision, it's important that the team know what the product is going to do. The team can sit down and discuss this. We can do some workshops, that type of stuff. Yeah, cool. But it's very important the team knows what the product is going to do and what it's going to be doing it for, who the customers are. Nice and easy this one, guys. The product backlog is just a list of stuff to do. The product owner will help us prioritize it. The team members will estimate it. But inevitably, it's stuff we gotta do to get the product done. Period. Release planning. Now this is cool. This is something we can do with the product backlog to help us get a better view of how big the damn product delivery is, right? The product owner can set some direction. The team can give us some estimates. And together in a workshop type format, we can get an idea of how much work this damn thing is going to take to deliver. Sprint planning, right? So the team sit down at the start of the sprint. The product owner's there. He helps us do this. And we work out what the sprint needs to do. Then we work out how the hell we're going to do it. Right? So this is going to be a bit of design work. We're going to have to work together. We're going to have to collaborate. We're going to have to come up with some tasks and write those down. Yeah, that's what we do in sprint planning. The sprint backlog, that's what comes out of the sprint planning session. It could be a list of tasks. It could be a design. It could be a number of things. But basically, it's this plan that the team comes up with to work out how they're going to do the sprint. The team owns it. The team updates it, and we should know from that backlog how much work we have to do at any point in time. A sprint is a time box. Nice and simple, this one. Most teams now range between 2 and 4 weeks, but it's a fixed time box. It never changes. The team don't extend it. We don't have a break before the sprint starts. It's basically an ongoing time box that we plan our work within. A sprint is just a time box. At the end of the sprint, we do something cool called a sprint review, right? This is where that guy, the product owner, he gets us all in a room and he talks about the product. We might get some customers in there too. They might tell us what they like about the product. That would be cool. But the sprint review, that's basically the inspect and adapt point for the product itself. Another thing at the end of the sprint, this team, they sit down and they work out how the damn sprint went. If it was bad, if it was good. They'll write all those things down and with the help of the Scrum Master to help facilitate this, they'll work out how they can do their next sprint better. Cool, huh? At the end of the sprint, and the reason why we do this whole goddamn thing is for something called a potentially deployable increment of the product, right? That means we've got something that works, right? It's not half working. It's not half tested. We can use it. That's what we're striving for, right? Period.
Mana mana.